Today, I'm going to show you how we can use GitHub Copilot as a pair programmer. This means we can install a plugin in Visual Studio Code and use it to write all the required code based on our requirements. We just need to provide our requirements in a chat window, and GitHub Copilot will automatically generate the necessary code. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to create a simple to-do application using the GitHub Copilot plugin. First, go to the plugin extensions in Visual Studio and search for GitHub Copilot. Install both the GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot Chat plugins. Once installed, create a new folder for your project. For this demonstration, we will use an existing index.html file. Open the Copilot chat by pressing CMD+I or Ctrl+I on Windows. You can start by asking Copilot to create a simple web page. As you type, Copilot will generate the required code automatically. Review and accept the generated code, then open the page in your browser to see the result. Next, let's add some more content to the page. Right-click to open the Copilot inline editor and ask it to add dummy content. Once added, test the changes in your browser. Now, let's utilize the chat plugin on the left side of the editor to easily interact with Copilot. To style the web page, we will use the Bootstrap library. Simply ask Copilot to include Bootstrap for styling. As you can see, Copilot will generate the necessary code, which we then need to integrate with the existing code in the editor. Once you accept the changes, you will see the styled web page in your browser. You can now observe that the web page has been styled with basic Bootstrap elements. I'll clear out the dummy content and replace it with a simple header, footer, and a few links for the page. As requested, Copilot has included a basic header, footer, and a few placeholder links. Now, let's create a simple to-do list application. Change the name to To-Do List and integrate the code changes generated by Copilot. Review and accept the changes in the editor. The to-do list application will be generated without writing any manual code. You can add tasks and test the functionality. To further enhance the application, Let's store the tasks in local storage. Ask Copilot to generate the required JavaScript code for this functionality. Integrate the updated code into the editor and test it in your browser. In the browser's Inspect tool, you can observe that all the tasks created in the to-do list are being successfully stored in the local storage. To add a confirm dialog for deleting tasks, ask Copilot to create a dialog box. Integrate the changes and test the dialog box functionality. Copilot has generated a basic JavaScript-based confirm dialog. Let's upgrade it to a Bootstrap model for confirmation. Here is the result, a stunningly crafted confirm dialog model created with Bootstrap. We've now created a simple to-do list application with zero manual code writing. The entire structure, styling, labels, and dialog boxes were generated by GitHub Copilot. It's a very useful tool for beginners and advanced developers alike, as it saves time and effort. If you'd like to try GitHub Copilot, you can sign up for a free trial on the GitHub website. Thanks for watching the video, and consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials.